Are you looking for a professional graphics designer for your project and cannot find one? Do you want someone to give you the best graphics for your website, app or any other platform? Well, I am a one-stop solution for you. Hi, my name is Ritika Pathak. I am a professional graphic designer with more than 3+ years of experience in this field and having excellent command over Adobe Photoshop, Adobe XD, CorelDRAW, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign. I have extensive design experience among a large variety of platforms. Let me show you some of my graphic designs.